Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Merry Christmas! Okay, not really, but I do have an advent calendar today and it is a very heavy advent calendar. It is the Bonne Maman advent calendar featuring 24 limited edition mini fruit spreads and honey. So let's get in here and see what we've got. When I went out looking for advent calendars to do on the channel, I wanted to have a lot of different kinds. I didn't want to just have makeup or body care. I wanted to do a lot of different kinds, and this seemed to be everywhere at the time, and I couldn't help it. I was drawn in. Now, the very first and most obvious question is, Kathrin, do you love jellies and jams? Not really. I think of toast as a savory thing, but I am going to learn to love it. I've decided that I'm going to do this maybe on Insta, take out one each day, and I'm gonna have a tea calendar. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna have a David's Tea advent calendar, which looks fantastic. If you are seeing this and you are thinking about that calendar, you should probably go buy it now. It will probably sell out. David's Tea advent calendar. I checked before I came upstairs. This was available on Amazon, but it has a really hinky story, and let me tell you about it. I purchased this for, I think, $39.95, $34.95 maybe. When you go on Amazon now, there are several sellers selling it, but they're selling it for $79.95. So I don't know if that means that Bonne Maman sold out of it and now the people that have it are secondhand sellers and they're trying to get their money's worth. But I'm hoping, always be sure and check that Bonne Maman didn't restock first, because I'm hoping that Bonne Maman restocks, but it is available now on Amazon. So when we open it up, I just took the plastic off of it. It is so heavy. I mean, in theory, there's 24 little jars of jams and jellies in here. Let's open it up. Oh my, I wonder how it opens. I should have looked into this first. I have to put my glasses on. Open here. Open here. It says it's the same place up top. I don't see where that here would be. I'll be back with you in just a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I showed you the end, or I didn't show you the end. Let me show you the ends. It said open here. It says open here on it, and this one says open here also. So I open these up, and I am trying to work out how I pull this apart. There's got to be a way. And finally, I go to lift it, thinking maybe if I get it closer to my face, it has a sleeve on it. And you have to open those before you can get the sleeve out. And now we have this. And with this we have numbers 12, 15, 1, 19. So now we get to play the Where's Waldo of advent calendars and find our numbers, but it's on both sides. So save yourself some time if you decide to order this. You pull these back and then it slides right off really easily. Okay, I heard me say 1 when I was over here. So we're just going to, they're all just going to be the kind you poke in, open up, and oh, it's a cute little jelly. Those are really hard to get out. Times 24. This is going to be fun. I'm going to edit the heck out of this so you guys don't have to watch me go. Oh my goodness. They did not want this. I have to tell you, I don't know that I'm making it through 24 of these. I'm a little winded. All right, number 1. These are the cutest little jars, and this is a Pear Mirabelle Plum spread. That is what it looks like. It's just kind of, can you see? I hope it shows. Can you see how chunky it is in there? It is just fruits, Mirabelle plums, sugar, brown cane sugar, concentrated lemon juice, fruit pectin, and it may contain pits. And these are made in France, and they are good, just for the record, until May of 22. So do not feel like you have to finish one of these off every day at Advent. Although I do kind of feel like that, but I don't think I have that much sugar in my morning. Day number 2 is the cherry elderflower spread. That sounds delicious. Do you guys like jams and jellies? I would say if you're here watching this, I would like to think that perhaps you have a slight affinity for jams and jellies. My mom has always liked it. It's just, I think of breakfast, I'm like I don't like Danishes and that kind of thing either. I don't think of breakfast as a real sweet experience. Number 3 is mango peach lime. I mean, these flavors are really interesting. And they have gone, this is 2-sided, and they have gone 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gonna take a few minutes. probably not in editing. It'll probably be a super quick video once I edit it. So this one is the Seedless Raspberry Spread. And just for the record, they don't all have the same dates. This one is only good through August of 21. I mean, that's still almost a year, but they don't all have the same date. That's number 4. Number 5. And number 5 is a Strawberry Verbena Spread. That sounds good. Although verbena is something I usually think of as a scent and not necessarily something we eat. I can't think of anything else verbena is in. Maybe like teas. I'm just trying to make some small talk while I work my way through this. Guys, I cannot express to you how hard this is to get out of here. And I have to lay it down. I have to lay it down. So I'm gonna wreck the little doors, but I can't. I will take a minute to say this. If you are thinking about this as a gift for an elderly parent who maybe has some dexterity issues, I would suggest something else. I am serious. It is that difficult to get these out of here. I would not in good conscience send this to like a parent with arthritis. I'm serious. It is, I mean, look, I could hold the whole box up trying to get this one little jar out. Food for thought. I just got that one out and didn't hold it tight enough and it went flying across the room. BRB, I'm back. I'm telling you, I'm taping an OPI nail polish advent right after this, which I don't know if I'm going to show it before or after this. I hope my hands are up to it. This is the Bonne Maman Sweet Orange and Passion Fruit Spread. And by spread, it meant spread your wings and fly across the room. Lucky number 7. Here's hoping. Nope. It never gets easier. Number 7, Pineapple Passion Fruit Spread. That is what that looks like. Number 8 is the Apple Bergamot Spread. They're all spreads, I think. We'll just forego that. I'll just tell you the flavors from now on. And I cheated. When I was getting out 7, 9 was right next to it. And a pre-gamed. Number 9 is the Rhubarb Strawberry. That's what that looks like. 10 is on the same side. Let's get that out. Blueberry Black Currant. That sounds really good to me. That one sounds really, really good. Okay, in an attempt to give my hands a small break, I've taken out the next 5. So let's talk slowly about them, maybe make some small talk, buy my hands a chance. I am not even kidding you. I mean, it is so hard to get these out that I don't think I would unbox this again. I still would buy it for myself because then you're only doing 1 a day. So you can deal with that. But these are in there so hard. Okay, 11 is Apricot Mango. That sounds delicious. 12 is Cherry Blackberry. Yeah, I like anything with cherry in it, so that's another good one. Let me know below, do you eat jellies and jams? If you do you have a favorite? Am I just stalling for time? Yes, I am. Okay. 13, Grapefruit Dragon Fruit. Well, we all know, those of us who watch the channel, I will be taking a pass on this. I hope that, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's kind of got a pinkish tone to it. I hope that comes across. Number 14, we have Orange Cinnamon. That sounds yummy. It's got chunky bits. It does have some chunky bits. I like the ones without chunky. Is without chunky jelly and with chunky jam, or is with chunky preserves? Also, if you know that, let me know below. Jam, jelly, preserves, marmalade. What's the difference? That's what that looks like. And again, that was 14 and it was Orange Cinnamon, which sounds really good. Fig Cardamom. Oh, that sounds fancy. Fig Cardamom. Okay. Time to get back in there. We're getting there. It's much lighter now. I can lift it with one hand. All right, it has taken me to number 16 of this. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Look, I have destroyed, can you guys see? My thumb is cut up. I don't know if you can see that or not. I am gonna do this. Look, number 16 is gorgeous. It is Raspberry Lychee, and that's what it looks like. Am I getting smarter? If this is cheating, let me know. I'll do better next time. But I am telling you guys, this is so hard. And number 17 is Raspberry Red Currant. That is what that looks like. But see how they're in there? Oh, the next one is just called Cherry Christmas Spice. That is what it looks like. See, you're getting the festiveness. Which one is it? Oh, this one. You're getting the festivus. You're getting the full box experience with me doing it like that. All right, 19. By the way, this box is super cute. It would look really cute just sitting in your kitchen, waiting for you each day to come and wrestle your jelly out of it. Lemon Yuzu spread. That also sounds very good to me. I like lemon, so lemon Yuzu spread. I hope that this is not blowing it out with all of the white of the box. 20. We have apricot lavender. That sounds good. Apricot lavender. 21 is white nectarine peach. That also sounds good. That's what that looks like. 22. Starts to make me giddy. Oh dear. 22 is strawberry wild strawberry. A strawberry and a wild strawberry walk into a bar. No, okay. That's what that looks like. Do you guys think you would know the difference between a strawberry and a wild strawberry? I do not think that I would. 23 is Mandarin Spread, and that is 23. And then 24, and before I open it, the stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that honey would soon be there. So they called this a fruit spread and honey box. And our only honey is day 24. You gotta wait for it, wait for it. And honey is what you get as your handsome reward for waiting on day 24. I'm telling you right now, if I tell my husband what is in that door, he's gonna cut right to it on day 1. He's just going straight for the honey. He likes honey. He likes it in his tea. He likes it just drizzled over a piece of toast. I'll never make day 24 with honey. We made it, guys. All the way through. So this is the Bonne Maman Advent Calendar with 24 limited edition mini fruit spreads and honey, the 2020 edition. If by chance Bonne Maman is watching, I would like to say, loosen up. A little easier to open next year. I know. They are just trying to get it to us safely. I fully appreciate that. I cannot express to you how difficult it is to get these out of here. I know it sounds like I'm joking, but I'm very serious. If you were thinking of getting this for someone with dexterity issues, I would absolutely give it a second thought. These are very difficult to get out of here. That said, I like them. I'm gonna have fun opening these and putting them on toast and giving them a taste each day through the Advent. Let me know below what you guys think. Was this absolutely too weird? I know. I went off the rails a little bit and then even cheated by just lifting the box in the end. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a great pre-Advent season, or as we like to call it, Thanksgiving season. And I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Sounds like a harder sell today. Again, thanks for coming by, and I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.